Looking to improve your wet on wet oil landscape paintings? Liquid Clear could be the answer for you. This tool is one of the best things you can add to your painting tool bag, and I'm going to show you how to use it, and we're getting started right now. Hey, it's me, it's Wild coming at you for my Creative Control playlist where I bring you the best tips and tricks, and today I'm bringing you a review on an oil medium. And if this is your first time here and you want to learn how to grow and improve your painting adventure, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button and tick that bell so you know when my videos go live for you. If you're like me, you're an avid Bob Ross fan, and I like using all his products because I actually think they're slightly easier to use if you're a beginner or you're a hobbyist out there learning the wet on wet style. And one of the best tools that you can add to your painting tool bag there is wet on wet clear paint. That is perfect oil medium to help you out with a lot of different styles that Bob Ross goes over in his videos. But what is Liquid Clear and how can it help you with painting? Well, if you look at Bob Ross and how he explains it, it's basically an oil-based medium that's essential for creating your canvases to be wet and slick, so that way your colors blend on the canvas and you don't have to work them as hard on your palette. But Liquid Clear goes well beyond that. You can actually use it to help thin down paint without diluting the colors, such as if you were to mix it with red, you would still keep that vibrant red saturation. Whereas if you mixed it with liquid black or liquid white, you would actually be either dulling the color with black or you'd be diluting it and making it towards a pinkish hue with liquid white. Since Liquid Clear doesn't dilute your colors, you can use it for a lot of things. Hey, do you have trouble creating branches on a tree? Instead of adding thinner to your paint, you can actually add Liquid Clear to make branches flow a lot easier. Maybe you have trouble with clouds out there, creating big fluffy clouds with a lot of crowns on them. Hey, your paint is probably a little too thin. Adding a little bit of Liquid Clear will actually make that paint a little bit fatter and make it stick easier to your canvas, creating big, beautiful, fluffy clouds. Or if you're like me, one of my favorite things to paint is black canvases. Putting down a beautiful base coat and putting colors on top of this and pulling them forward with a lighter color on top of that creates beautiful effects that you get to achieve with Liquid Clear, and they look fantastic. And for one of the best things that Liquid Clear does that everybody out there suffers when they start doing painting with the wet on wet style, you probably have trouble with, yeah, that's right, creating layers on layers. Adding Liquid Clear will make your paint a little fattier, which means that it will technically thin it down so it sticks on top of the firmer layers of paint, allowing you to create easy to do layer on layer paintings. And these are just a few simple things that you can do with Liquid Clear. It goes well beyond that you can explore when you have a little more free time. But it's one of the best tools that you can add if you're struggling with certain things with wet on wet style painting. Now, if you're interested in owning some Liquid Clear, you can easily get it off Amazon. It runs somewhere around between 12 and 15 bucks, maybe a little bit more, and it comes in an 8-ounce can. And this stuff will last you a long time depending on how much painting you're doing. You only need a little bit, and it spreads quite far whatever pigment or paint you add it to. So it's well worth the money. If you're still not sure that you would like Liquid Clear, I would actually recommend picking up the assortment pack that you can get on Amazon. Runs you about $25 USD. And the nice thing about this is it comes with liquid white, liquid black, and Liquid Clear, and even a brush conditioner, which I'll show you at a later point in another video how to use that. But this is a great product, and I'll even do a review on this later in time. But this allows anybody out there that's interested in painting, or maybe they're a beginner or you're looking for a present for a painter out there, to try all these different mediums and even the conditioner, which is gonna help their brushes. This is a great thing to pick up, and it's not that expensive, and this will actually last you a little while as well. Now, if I got you excited to buy a can of Liquid Clear or perhaps the assortment pack, you're in luck. I put a link in the description below that'll take you to the easiest places to find them on Amazon. And if you want to click through those links, they do help me out, so thank you very much, because, you know, everything goes back into supporting this channel. But let's just say you can't get Liquid Clear or Bob Ross products in your country or region, or you can't find it anywhere, or perhaps it's even sold out. I got you covered. I would try looking for linseed oil. Regular linseed oil, cold press will do just as well. You could even do boiled linseed oil, but just to let you know, that'll add a little bit of a yellowing effect to your paint and drying as well. So just a little side note there. But if you want to pick this up on Amazon or your local art store, this sometimes costs you about $12 to $15 USD. Look out for those coupons to find it for a little bit more of a discount. But this stuff works just as well. Not as good, but just as well. Liquid Clear, I've noticed, stays a little wetter over time and seems to blend a little bit better. But linseed oil is a pretty good close runner-up. I use this all the time before I actually took the jump into Liquid Clear. So if you can't find Liquid Clear, go with linseed oil. Hey, hopefully I got you all really excited about trying Liquid Clear or even linseed oil. And if you're not sure how to apply it, I will put a card up in the top here or in the description below of how to apply Liquid Clear in all the different clear mediums out there if you want to expand your painting adventure. Once again, my name is Wild. Hopefully you guys found this video very helpful and entertaining. And if you did, make sure you leave a comment below. Feel free to ask any questions you want because all the comments you guys leave do help my channel grow, and I love answering the questions that I can or even researching questions that you guys have. And if you want to keep up with me, my videos, my paintings, make sure you follow me on Twitter and you can follow me on Instagram. And if you want to go above and beyond and be a true bro or a bae, you can help support me on my Patreon. And if you want to see me paint, make sure you follow and watch me on twitch.tv/WildForGames. I paint there Monday through Thursday, and I love seeing all of you guys there. I will catch you all next time in my next Creative Control painting video coming up real soon. Take care, all. Peace.